Okay, that's great. So for me, I
Yes.
wake up in the morning around 6:30, and then there's one round of cleaning, home cleaning that I need to do, and after
Mm-hmm.
that I prepare breakfast, and
Mm-hmm.
whatever household chores are there, I need to finish it, and then I sit for my class.
Mm-hmm.
Till around 11 a.m. I have class 10 to 11. After that, I go
Mm-hmm.
prepare lunch, and then I have lunch, and then in the afternoon again I have a lot of sessions.
Mm-hmm.
Post that there are some other tasks that I need to do. For example, develop curriculum or shoot some videos. So I complete those things and go for an
Okay.
evening walk or the gym, maybe, and
Mm-hmm.
then it's time for my nighttime sessions again.
Okay, so ma'am, as you told me, you are a full-time teacher.
Yes.
So now, what is your plan for a future? What you gonna do in the future, ma'am?
Can you come again, please, Aman?
As you told me, you are a full-time teacher.
Yes.
So, what is your future plan, ma'am? What you gonna do in the future?
Uh, if you meet a doctor, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, will you ask a doctor what is your future plan?
No, because I have right now I have a future plan. I want to join this date company, so that's why I'm asking you.
My future plans, there are some certifications I want to do
Mm-hmm.
by this organization called the British Council and Cambridge University. But
Mm-hmm.
these certifications are a little expensive, so I'm saving up for it. But within the next 2 years, I want to finish those teaching certifications. It will add a
Mm-hmm.
lot of value to my career. That's why.
Okay, so ma'am, have you ever been to abroad?
Never, I have never been abroad. How about you?
No, I'm just asking.
No, same here. Never. I've never been abroad. I do want to visit some islands, like the islands in Indonesia, Malaysia. I really want to visit those places. But so far, I've
Mm-hmm.
not gone out of India.
So, ma'am, do you have any knowledge if I want to go abroad? So, how can I go there? If I want to work in abroad, how can I work there? Like America, Canada. Do you have any idea, ma'am?
Yes. So I can tell you, number one, it depends on which country you want to go to. If
Mm-hmm.
you want to go to English speaking countries like maybe the US, UK, or Canada, Australia, there is an
Mm-hmm.
exam called the IELTS General exam. Okay, IELTS
Mm-hmm.
General. So you have to check whether that country and the company where you want to go, they require an
Mm-hmm.
IELTS score or not. Some companies it is mandatory for you to take the IELTS tests, and for some companies it's not mandatory. You need to
Mm-hmm.
check with the company first, like should I take the
Mm-hmm.
test or not? That is the
Yeah.
first thing. Then there are some agencies, right? There are a lot of
Mm-hmm.
trusted agencies, not like any random agency, which will
Mm-hmm.
help you with your visa process, which will help you
Mm-hmm.
with applying for different companies and making sure
Mm-hmm.
that your profile gets selected. Your
Mm-hmm.
IELTS score is good. Okay, so you
Mm-hmm.
can get in touch with any such trustworthy companies or agencies for your
Mm-hmm.
work abroad. So
Okay, so after. Mm-hmm.
yeah, for that you need to do a bit of research. There are a lot of frauds also who take
Mm-hmm.
money from candidates, who take lakhs of rupees and like hum aapko US bhejenge, and then they take the money and run away. So you need to
Mm-hmm.
check with many people whether this agency is
Mm-hmm.
trustworthy or not, and then go with them. Got it?
Okay, yes, I got it. But I'm confused here. I want to go in abroad, but I don't know what kind of work I want to do there.
That you need to figure it out on your own, Mr. Raman. You need to evaluate what are your interests, what are your strengths, what do you want to
Mm-hmm.
do? Do you want to work in technology? Do you want to work in
Mm-hmm.
hospitality? Do you want to work in
Mm-hmm.
any other field? You need to evaluate that for yourself.
Yes, also I did hotel management diploma, ma'am.
Good. So, hospitality would be a good option for you, right? Hospitality management. So, I think that is
Mm-hmm.
something you will enjoy.
Yes, yes. So that is why I'm asking you.
Yes. So career counselors are there. As I
Mm-hmm.
mentioned, the agency, right? They will help you with selecting the correct profile that suits your qualification.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good.
Yes, and I think it's a good profession that you've chosen, hospitality management, because they're always
Mhm.
in demand. No matter what,
Yes.
hotels require staff. They require
Mhm.
people to take care of the guests, talk to the guests, manage the hotel. They need people.
Mhm.
So it's a good option.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, very nice. So, which
Yeah.
country do you want to go to, Aman?
I want to go in America, ma'am.
I want to go to America.
I want to go to America. Yes.
Fine then. Very nice. So let's do a quick round of feedback again for today.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So, one good improvement that I saw in your today's speaking is your speed.
Mhm.
The speed with which you were talking today, it was not very fast, it was not very slow, it was just
Mhm.
perfect. Okay.
Okay.
It was absolutely perfect. So, try
Mhm.
to maintain this. If possible, try to speak even a little more slower, little bit, not too much. Okay,
Okay.
but this was really good. I think in the last session you were speeding too much. The pace of speech
Yeah,
was very high.
because ma'am, when I took first session with you, I was little bit nervous, also confused.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. No problem. So today there was
Yeah.
improvement there. You seemed a lot more relaxed, and your
Yeah.
voice modulation was also decent.